Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Restoration Hardware. But before we do, I want to give you a heads up. Next Tuesday, Scott and I are going to be teaching what we call a masterclass on VWAP, a volume weighted average price masterclass, where you're going to learn about anchored VWAP, which few people actually know about, as well as just how I use VWAP along with pivot points, basically to make sure that I'm on the right side of the trade. And it gives me areas where you wouldn't normally know it if you don't understand VWAP, exactly where you should be buying and where you should be selling. And this is day trading stuff. Scott's going over the swing trading stuff with intraday things. So the bottom line is this masterclass is something that you guys need to see. I mean it. It's going to be awesome. And it's on Tuesday, and this is free for members. So if you're not a member, just sign up for a free trial and you can check out that class. It's going to be really good. Also, we are going to be trading live on Thursday morning, both this Thursday as well as next Thursday. And the idea is during these live trading sessions, I want to make you money. That's the goal. You would say, well, it's the informal goal, but actually, no, it is my goal. I want to help you guys make money. And if I can't find good trades for you, personally, I consider that a failure. So anyway, hope you'll join us at 9:15 in the morning on Thursday. We'll trade for the first hour or so. Now, with Restoration Hardware, this is a high growth company, believe it or not. You guys have been in their stores. They have good stuff in there, and they're very proud of it. They charge a lot of money for it. But this stock's been in an uptrend for a while, close to a year, but it's been trading sideways for the last few months, right? Almost 3 months. So I'm looking at this, and I see the volume over the last couple days. I think this stock is just starting to get going, and it's going to start the next leg higher. I like the fact that for 2 days in a row, this stock has traded up, and it's closed near the high of the day. So I'm looking at like 240 as the next viable resistance level, and that'll probably be at least tested tomorrow. But I would suggest if you're long this stock, and I actually first bought it yesterday, I would stay long this stock and maybe you got to give it some kind of room, maybe 8% or so, even a little bit more. But start a position. I don't think it's too late. If the stock happens to pull back tomorrow and then find some kind of support right around there, then that would be a good place to start the position. But what you got to remember is this kind of buying, really big buying for 2 days in a row, this isn't like after this kind of a consolidation, this isn't the kind of thing that's just like a 2-day wonder and then the stock's going to tank. This reveals that there is some real buying interest in this stock, and that tells me that if the stock pulls back at all, you're going to see some support right around here. So you have a defined risk trade where you're buying here, you're keeping a stop, right down around there, and you're looking for this kind of move. Okay, so anyway, that's all I got for you. And again, I'll see you next Tuesday at the VWAP Masterclass. But before that, we're going to be trading day after tomorrow, first thing in the morning, and then also next Thursday as well. So we got a lot of good stuff coming up just for members, okay? And it's all about making money and learning how to make more money. All right, I'll see you then.